this pickup truck was rear-ended. It's aluminum body, like a Ford. I guess even the Chevys have got
Yeah, the Chevys are aluminum. Yeah.
aluminum panels now,
Yeah.
and I know that because my truck
Yeah.
got dents. Well, I'll be talking later to you about it. But anyway, the full frame, if the frame gets dented or bent, we've got to pull that steel frame straight.
Mm-hmm.
Talk us through what the process is for something like that, so that people understand. Because why the hell is it so expensive to get cars fixed these days?
Yeah.
Like, it's like, honest to God, and you hear about vehicles. Basically, if the airbags deploy, it's my understanding the cars basically are write-off in most cases.
In most cases, yes. In most
So let's get into a little bit of that, because I'm sure there's people out there that want to know why it costs so much to do these repairs, like through insurance, because it seems like our insurance rates just keep going up, never stop.
Mm-hmm.
And the costs just keep rising.
Mm-hmm.
And I get inflation and I get the cost of living and I get all of that. But it's important that people understand the cost of doing business. As you touched on initially, people think that the money just goes into your pocket and you're just making millions of dollars every year, but you're really investing it back in your business so that you can continue to provide your clients with the best options for them.
Yeah, that's right.
Right?
Yeah. I mean, like, the reason why auto body is so expensive, like, also, the labor to pay, like,
Yeah.
is very high up, because there's a low supply of skilled workers out there.
I was going to ask.
Yeah.
I was going to ask how hard it is to get somebody that knows how to apply paint.
Yeah.
If it's the same as a 310S or RSE mechanic, because it's tough out there.
Well, it's finesse, right? So, like, to get to the paint, to get it to the painter, it's like that takes finesse, and then the painter has to take it to the next level, so the car comes out nice and perfect, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, there's different steps. Like, a little scratch on the door, you might think it's $100.
Right.
Yeah, but
I do.
Yeah, scratch and
I
dent.
do think it's $100.
Scratch and dent on the door.
Right.
Okay, you want to make that thing perfect. We got to take apart all the moldings. We got to take apart the door handles.
Right.
Right. We gotta grind that thing down, pull the dent out and the scratch, apply fiberglass, certain fillers,
sure.
right? And then we gotta prime it. And then when you're priming these, before you prime, you gotta smooth it out so the bodywork doesn't show through the primer,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because if it shows through the primer, and then the paint is gonna show through the paint.
Right.
So there's so many steps, like tedious steps that you got to do, and then when the painter gets it, he's got to take the time to mask the whole car, because you don't want overspray on that thing,
Right.
right? Because then it's hard to get off the overspray.
Right.
So yeah, and then the painter gets it, and his special skill from his experience makes that car looks brand new,
Mm-hmm.
or how it's supposed to look, right? And if the body man did not do a good job getting that dent out, it'll go back. Like, the painter can send it back to make it perfect, or my job is to make sure it's perfect before it goes into paint. Because once it goes into paint and he paints over that thing,
Yeah.
that's it. Like,
It'll be a huge loss
Yeah.
if they have to redo it.
yeah, if they have to redo it. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.